y'all, I was laying down and I was like, let me get up. And then it's 1:06, so let me get up. I go to work in 3 hours. 3 hours. 3 hours. Go to work in 3 hours. I might go early. I don't know. It depends. But I'm finna show y'all. I'm finna show y'all how to fix your legs. Look at my legs. Like, look at that. It's like, look at that. Like, look, like it's all comfy and shit. I'm finna show y'all how to fix that. So yeah, let's go transfer to my little setting in the bathroom. We finna get to work. Period. Oh, I look crazy. I look crazy. I look awkward crazy. Okay. So, okay. First of all, oh shit. Okay, first of all, okay, we're gonna brush out right here. This is what we're gonna do first. We're gonna brush this mother freaking out because I can feel that all in my scalp. It's not even my real hair. So brush it to my back. If you can't, oh, we don't want no part because we might be changing the part, so we don't want no part. Should I do a middle part?
I like that wig.
You like this wig?
Yeah.
I'm out of breath. So I'm gonna say something. I walked to the store this morning to buy this so I could do this video. Good thing the store is like across the street, you know? I knew that was gonna happen. I really knew it was gonna happen. It didn't happen. Isn't that crazy? Hopefully I don't die. I mean, it is alcohol. It don't taste weird. What? We gonna take the alcohol. I'm just making a mess right now. We gonna take the alcohol. And then we just go down, not up, but go down. We just go down.
Are you recording?
Yeah. So yeah, we just see it's lifting.
What does the alcohol do?
It's the excess glue and makeup and stuff off of the wig.
Oh, okay.
So I can just put it back down and it don't look like all clumpy and junk.
Oh, okay.
So yeah. Oh shit. Anyways. This is how we should be looking. We should be lifting up. Okay? Lifting up. I'm gonna wear my glasses to work today. Okay, so I'm back, y'all, and I found my pouch. But we gotta glue this back down. Honestly, I can't see with these on. So we gotta make this snappy because we gotta leave the house at like 3 something. Leave the house at like 3 something. So I've just put some right here. We don't really need that much. I can't find the other one. My makeup brush, so I'm just gonna use the comb. So I'm just gonna take some on the comb and put it under here. Anyway, so yeah, just dry until it's clear. Because it's coming off when I get home, but it just gotta last me for the next 6 hours while I'm at work. And I think it is, you know. I have faith. But I wasn't supposed to get this glue all the way up there like that, but you know, whatever. So yeah, we're gonna put 2 layers. Take it and put it down like that, like that. And we just comb out the edges and we just brush, comb them back. Actually, we combed them back, except for the little ones. We keep the little ones to the front, and we combed them back, and we just press down on the lace and stuff. Yeah, You know, nothing major. Nothing major. So yeah, you know, that's how we're looking, that's how we're coming. We just need it to look flat so we can go to work. Okay, I'm gonna do this side. And I don't have this wig on with a wig cap, and I know my edges are going to come off. I just know that for a fact. Oh shit. So yeah, we're just doing that. We have the middle, and then we're motherfucking done. So yeah, I mean, it's nothing really to it. You're just using your finger is way better than using like any other tool. Well, a popsicle stick is good too, but other than that, your finger best bet. I'm using this because I have tiny places, you know. I gotta get to tiny places, but so yeah, so. Okay, so it's down. It's not looking too good right now, but we're about to fix it. But it's down. So make sure the edges don't get stuck with the glue, okay? Oh, it came up again. See what I'm talking about? So we gonna use that. Gots to be. Go spray and pat. Okay, we're gonna tie her down. See, it's 2:16. We're doing good on time. We're doing good on time. Okay, so now the styling. Okay, so now we're gonna put the makeup on it to make it look like my hair. And then we just go brush comb, brush comb. Make sure nothing's stuck. Don't be afraid to comb them edges side to motherfucking side. Okay. Okay. All right. We gonna use this because yeah, not too much though. That was a lot. Damn, that was a lot. Damn, that was a lot too. But yeah, so you know, nothing major. Freaking elastic band back. I don't know where it went. I bought a whole pack and I don't know where it went. Okay, well, this is done. We don't have time because we want to do a mid part, so we need to make it snap. It's 2:23. I need to be done with my hair by 3 o'clock. Nope, no side part. I mean, no middle part. Sorry, we're gonna do side part. We're just gonna go back to the original plan. What's it called? I don't really do middle parts on curly hair. It's just, I don't know. If I do it, like, somebody's gonna actually have to do my hair. like somebody who knows what they're doing. Not saying I don't know what I'm doing, but somebody who knows what they're doing, they don't have to do my hair for me to do that. I just love this. I wish this was my actual hair. Like, I honestly do. Like, look at that. Just great. So we're gonna do the edges back, and then we're gonna be freaking done, bro. We're gonna be done after we do the edges. I got my edges back. I got my edges back. I don't think I'm gonna curl them, my edges, before I do them. Right? So on square it, you just spread it like that. You just spread it like that. Then you just do the edges. My stomach is growling. I'm hungry. It's a lot of mousse in his hair. That's crazy. It's 2 kinds of mousse in his hair. Like, I'm ready for it to come off and just get somebody else to do it. The finished product. Like that sleek. Like that sleek. I'm gonna do up here, you know, a little up. Not too much of a up, but just a little up. Whoa, we're back up. I can go and get ready for work. My hair's finished. Yeah, we wasn't feeling the middle part type shit. Yeah, that's not us. Especially not with curly hair. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. For now, all done. All done. See? I need some water. But thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all that. Look at my hair. It's like look at my alarm.